Today, we're excited to deliver on the long-awaited LLaMA 3.1 405 billion parameter model that we previewed back in April. We're also updating the 8 and 70 billion models with new, improved performance and capabilities. The 405 is hands down the largest and most capable open source model that's ever been released.
Meta's latest AI model, LLaMA 3.1, is generating significant buzz in the AI community. This model comes packed with advanced features and enhancements that push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Today, we'll dive into the details of LLaMA 3.1, exploring its cutting-edge features, improvements, and how it stacks up against other models like GPT-4. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay updated on the latest tech innovation. One of the standout features of LLaMA 3.1 is its massive parameter count. Meta has revealed that this model boasts an astonishing 405 billion parameters, making it one of the most powerful AI models ever created. For those less familiar with AI jargon, parameters are akin to the synapses in the human brain that enable the model to learn and process information. The sheer volume of parameters allows LLaMA 3.1 to understand and generate human-like text with unprecedented accuracy and nuance. Meta didn't stop there. They also introduced an 8 billion parameter variant of LLaMA 3.1, designed for more accessible and efficient use in various applications. This smaller model maintains high performance while being more resource-friendly, making it a versatile option for a wider range of users. Another exciting development is Meta's partnership with Nvidia. This collaboration leverages Nvidia's cutting-edge hardware and expertise in AI computing to optimize LLaMA 3.1's performance. The synergy between Meta's advanced algorithms and Nvidia's powerful GPUs ensures faster training times and more efficient inference processes. This means that LLaMA 3.1 can deliver results quicker and more accurately, even with complex tasks. LLaMA 3.1 also features significant improvements in natural language understanding and generation. Meta has implemented advanced techniques in training and fine-tuning the model, allowing it to produce more coherent and contextually relevant responses. This is a substantial leap forward from previous models, reducing instances of AI-generated content that feels disjointed or out of place. One of the areas where LLaMA 3.1 truly shines is in its handling of context. The model can maintain context over longer conversations, making interactions with AI more fluid and natural. This is particularly useful for applications in customer service, virtual assistants, and conversational agents, where maintaining a coherent dialogue is crucial. Meta has also integrated advanced safety features into LLaMA 3.1. These include improved content filtering and bias mitigation techniques, ensuring that the AI generates responses that are not only accurate but also ethical and unbiased. This is a critical step towards making AI more reliable and trustworthy in various applications. Comparing LLaMA 3.1 to GPT-4, we see some fascinating distinctions. While GPT-4 is renowned for its broad application and versatility, LLaMA 3.1's enhancements in contextual understanding and parameter optimization give it a competitive edge. The partnership with Nvidia further amplifies this, positioning LLaMA 3.1 as a formidable contender. In terms of accessibility, Meta has made strides to ensure LLaMA 3.1 is user-friendly. They've introduced intuitive APIs and comprehensive documentation to help developers and researchers integrate the model into their projects seamlessly. This focus on usability extends to robust support and community engagement. Moreover, LLaMA 3.1's performance in real-world applications is noteworthy. From generating high-quality content and assisting in research to enhancing customer interactions and driving business insights, the model demonstrates versatile capabilities that cater to diverse needs. This adaptability underscores Meta's commitment to creating AI that is not only powerful, but also practical and impactful. As we look towards the future, LLaMA 3.1 represents a significant milestone in AI development. Its combination of immense parameter capacity, advanced contextual understanding, and ethical safeguards sets a new standard for what AI can achieve. With ongoing support and continuous improvements, we can expect LLaMA 3.1 to play a pivotal role in shaping the next generation of AI applications. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support helps us bring you the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content on AI and beyond.